Hey, Tibet, we're reaching for cheese. How are you doing? Good to hear, especially on your first flight.
Captain, do you copy?
Loud and clear control. Is there something wrong with the transmission?
A simple interference, don't worry about it. Passing 100 km altitude, you're looking great, crew. Expecting to break the sound barrier in a few seconds.
Copy that.
And you're supersonic. Copy, maximum stress on the structure coming up in a few minutes. Will be passing max Q.
Feels solid, no issues yet.
Copy, flicker on 3 reading the pressure drop. Can you confirm visual?
Yeah, looks like a small leak. Hold on.
We see it. Stand by, Captain. We're checking systems.
Copy, standing by.
It is cadet. Just follow procedure. We're seeing pressure dropping fast on engine 3. Copy on confirm cabin stability. Copy, fire warning. Engage suppression if able.
Engaging now. No response. Control, our systems are failing. Control, do you copy?
Copy lot, we're losing your signal. Say that again.
Control, critical failures all over our systems. Hold it, cadet, hold it.
Hey pal, I always end up coming here. Places like this make you forget about the what ifs. This breeze feels nice. I wish I could stay here forever.
Hello. Not quite. I wasn't sure anyone would hear me. It's unusual to hear someone else. Why are you here? Tell me, why are you also on this journey? Hey, come closer. I believe this one just moved. Incredible. Yeah. They appear to be moving on their own. There's no wind, no earthquakes, and definitely no legs. That's some willpower. Maybe, but it also feels a bit human. Moving forward even when it seems impossible is one of the most human things I've ever seen.
Hello, traveler. It is indeed my home. I am thinking of going away. Maybe for a bit. Maybe for a long time. I think I need a change of scenery. At least see what's out there, you know. That way of thinking will get you nothing. And there's a whole universe out there just waiting. Don't you wanna see it? I figure. Trust me, I'll follow your heart. It tends to be right.
Are you still out there? You don't seem too happy about it. Oh, not at all. I lost connection with those folks decades ago. Yeah, don't worry much about who I am. I think we'll be seeing each other soon. I am doing some rough calculations. Wait. Anyways, don't get your hopes up. I can send you back to Earth. Don't be so narrow-minded. You are no freer than you have ever been. You could say so. After all, freedom and uncertainty always go along. I think seeing things in a new light will cheer you up. Just follow me, I will show you.
There are views out here I could have never imagined. Do you think we come from one of those? You know that theory that the universe is inside a black hole? I hope the universe isn't like that. You know, because nothing ever leaves a black hole.
Hey. We are pretty far away from home, huh? Do you miss it? Yes. I figure. I don't know if I should come back. Tons of bad people down there, you know. Why even bother? I guess I give them what they wanted. To make me go away as far as possible. Well, is this far enough?
Maybe there really is a place for everyone, even for someone like me. And maybe once you find it, you don't need to keep looking behind you anymore.
Hey there, took you a while. Yeah, kinda, I've been expecting you in a way. Fair enough. You don't really need a reason to keep moving sometimes, it's just what you do. You sound like me. But in my years, I've learned that the opposite ends up happening more often. I've been standing here for ages and somehow I still end up somewhere new every day. That's where you're wrong, I do just not the way you do it. My rank is keep reaching higher and higher. Growth is still motion even if it's quiet. Oh, so suddenly you do have the answers. But still am standing. This is the path I found for me. Finding yours means you're already halfway there. Maybe. Even old folks like me don't have all the answers. The least I could do is give you some directions. Sometimes you slow down. You breathe. You wait, you take in the rain, you go through the winter, and then you rise again. That's how forests are made. Then maybe you'll bloom somewhere else. You've been walking for so long, traveler. So tell me, when you leave this place, will you keep chasing what's ahead? Or will you stay still for a while and see what grows around you? It's moving again.
It never fails to amaze me.
To move like that, what could it want? I mean, look at it, doesn't it look like it's reaching for something?
Maybe it's running away.
That's a good theory. I wish we could ask it.
Why don't you try it?
Huh?
Come on, dude.
It's a rock.
A moving rock.
Fine. Hey, cadet. Where are you going? See, there's no point in talking to a rock.
I mean, you never know. Maybe it's just a language barrier.
Yeah, sure.
Maybe we just don't understand them. I'm sure these rocks know more than we do. They've been here for millennia. They've seen us come from nothing. They've on cave walls, explore the whole world in awe, and then destroyed it.
Do you regret what we became?
I think we could have done it and looked different, but dwelling on it is pointless. What matters is what we're gonna do next.
What if we fail again?
Then we'll get up and try one more time, and another, ever moving forward. That's how we know we're human.
Sorry for dumping this on you, but it's just everything's moving so fast. At least we are here together. You are out here too, don't forget that. I think I just needed to talk to someone. It'd be nice to talk here for a while, but I think there's someone waiting for you.
Hey there, traveler over here. I didn't expect to see anyone at all. Feels refreshing crossing paths with someone else out here. It was with Mission Control. I remember with nostalgia the time I reported back to them. Even after they stopped responding, I kept talking. Does that sound familiar? All the time. but I think you get used to being like this. No one cares about what a lone robe is up to, for better and for worse. To me, that's what freedom feels like. I just wish I could share some of the things I have seen. You see, out here it's beautiful, red giants collapsing in on themselves to a myriad of colors and shapes. Civilizations watching me from light years away, scared of what I may carry. Stars and planets forming from kaleidoscopic clouds of gas and dust. All the memories I carry on the golden record are also beautiful. But after I lost connection with mission control, I just, if I can't share it with anyone, what's even the purpose? Are you waiting for something to happen? Out here and stranded, just like me, filled with despair and fright. There is no point in feeling this way out here, you gotta look forwards. When everything is wrong, being hopeful is a rebellion. Follow me. This is where we belong. On an endless journey to the unknown, exploring past the most remote frontiers. We are restless at heart. Even Earth can get too small. What's wrong? Make it where. Hey, don't talk like that. I know you have it in you. Everyone does. The thrill of reaching new horizons. Tell me your gravestone back on Earth, which, let's be real, they have already set up. What do you want it to say on the cosmic voyage? The comets and the stars follow. A lone astronaut scared to his guts stays motionless, frozen to death, for he didn't see the beauty of the universe, and so he gave up living, forever frozen in place. Moving simply by Newton's law of motion and not a drop of heart or passion. That's not who you are. You saw something glistening out here, didn't you? Something worth pursuing. That's passion. That's what I like to hear. Do you also feel it, man? I think we're gonna be alright.
Hello.
This is Mission Control. Who are we speaking with? Cadet, are you still alive? Cadet. We are here with your captain. She wants to talk to you.
Hey, Cadet, do you copy? Yes, but not in one piece. It's been rough. And I guess it's the same for you. Mission Control wants me to tell you something. With your current state, it's unfeasible deploying a mission to bring you back. I'm sorry, Cadet. I know this is unfair.
Cadet. I'm sorry, Cadet. You're too far away. We're not even sure how we're picking up your signal. We're sorry. I will be terminating the connection soon.
Cadet, we want to wish you good luck. We hope you find peace out there somewhere. May your journey be one of discovery and not one of despair. You will be remembered for your sacrifice and for your courage. Goodbye, friend.
Hey. You seem lost again. Go on. I know. Hey. If you get lost on the what ifs, you won't see the beauty of what you have in front of you. Why did you hop and then? And what do you want now? What's stopping you? The whole universe is waiting for you. Of course. But you can only truly see it if you're open to it. You must embrace that part inside you. That part inside of your heart that keeps moving forwards despite it all. That's what makes you human. That never-ending search of new horizons. To search for a better place. Especially when everything's wrong, you have to hold onto your hope. Because good things are coming. Whether you like it or not. You don't have to cadet. There's someone waiting for you at the edge of the universe. Someone who hasn't been on this journey all alone. traveling for light years and light years, drifting in space with none other to share their voyage. Cadet, I think it's time for you to go, traveler. You will always have doubts, but never let those doubts stop you from growing and moving forward. It's my pleasure, traveler. Now go. Don't make that lone robe wait. Cadet, I thought you were gone back there. What happened? Oh no, I think I know what that means. Are you okay? That's good to hear.
Maybe there really isn't a place for everyone. Maybe there really isn't a place for everyone.
This journey's been beautiful, hasn't it?
Follow your heart, it tends to be right.
I think this is it, traveler. The edge of the universe. The final frontier. At least we are here together. I think we must do what we do better. Crossing it. Good things are coming whether you like it or not. I don't know. I think it's kinda ironic, but I think I'm feeling a bit nostalgic. Yeah. Sometimes I wonder if we are just messages in a bottle. Every light in the sky is another Voyager 1. Forever moving forwards in this endless void. Filled with hopes and dreams of the civilization who sent it. Each one of them holding a golden record. Each one of these records filled with music, paintings, videos of kids playing, and rituals we may never know the meaning of. all that love just in case someone else finds it. Some other civilization far, far away. Maybe when they find it, the ones who sent it are long gone. But I figure that doesn't bother them. The simple idea that one day someone out there hears their message. The idea that someone else in this vast universe will remember them. That kind of hope must fill a loneliness that nothing else can reach. And maybe that's enough. We were never meant to come back. Not because of our circumstances, but because it's in our own nature. It's written in our code. It doesn't matter who programmed it or the genome that built us. But still, it's a bit sad, isn't it? To forever be astray carrying someone else's hope. Never crossing paths with anyone maybe for billions of years. I never had a choice. Yet somehow it's exciting. Do you feel it, that drive? There's something pushing us forward. Pushing us to climb mountains. To jump on boats into the unknown. To get on spaceships and never return. To see what's next, to answer that call. Maybe that's why we found each other. I'm happy you're here, cadet. Me neither. Now I realize I never wanted to do this alone. Thank you. I'm just happy I could finally share it. And I'm happy it's with you. I'm happy we are friends, cadet. I think so too, traveler. Whatever happens on the other side, be sure I'll keep moving forward. This is where we belong. We will do it together. Follow me. Control, I'm not coming back.
Follow me and I'll follow you, and we'll think of a million things we can do. We can go to the store and steal candy and toys, and break into a graveyard and make lots of noise. We can both run away to a tropical land, put our fists in the air and our toes in the sand. We can float out to sea on a ship with big sails, making video films of the dolphins and whales, and let everyone see what the world could be if you just take a chance and you follow me. Da 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 Everyone see what the world could be if you just